Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome to another video. I have a sore throat, and you know what's so crazy? Last time I did a Shein haul, I had a sore throat. So I am ill once again. I've been ill like 50 million times this year, but anyway, I'm here with another haul which I'm really excited to show you because I think this has got to be my favorite haul I've ever done online. So I used to hate online shopping. The only place I actually enjoy online shopping is websites that are abroad, and Shein, I love Shein. Like I mentioned before, I have been shopping on there for ages. They are my favorite online website right now for everyday clothes, just because affordable. They have all the trendy pieces. They also have, it's trendy pieces, but then it's a little bit different and it's not what everybody else has, which is what I really love. So the first outfit, well, it's not really a piece, it's a two-piece basically, and it's this blazer that I'm wearing. It's not very long, like it doesn't cover my back. It is quite a cropped length, and it's got these it's got like panels like that, if that makes sense, like a pleated panel at the front. They're super cute. I absolutely love it. Look at the sleeves. I love these bell sleeves. They're just so cool. It's like a double bell sleeve, and then with that you get matching trousers, which I absolutely love. They are a straight leg. I got a size medium. Surprisingly, size medium fits me really well from Shein. Obviously I've just had a baby, so I still have my baby fat, and I still, obviously, like, everything's going back to normal, and it hasn't yet because it's only been 6 weeks. This is, let me just show you the detail close. Can you see it like that? And it's just lots and lots of lines basically, and I really love this print. I really like the color as well. It goes really nicely with my t-shirt, which I got from Bershka. But yeah, anyway, really love this suit. Then next is, I'm going to show you this shirt. So I have been looking for a snake print shirt everywhere. There, obviously Zara have loads, but I feel like everybody has the one from Zara, and also they're all really short, and I like to wear mine with just trousers or jeans, and they were just a little bit short. But Shein had literally almost the same thing. It's a little bit different, which is great, so it's not the same as everybody else's online. Like, this is what the print actually looks like up close. There's like a bit of like camel, kind of creamy beigey color in there, which I love because I just like that extra detail. And also I wear a lot more warmer tones rather than cooler tones, and it's actually a dress. It's quite long and it has a belt to it as well, which is great. It's the perfect length for me. You can wear it open, you can wear it closed. It's great. Also, it is quite thin, but I don't mind that because it is autumn in England, so it's a little bit chilly. I just wear a t-shirt underneath. It's cool. That's that. Absolutely love it. Then the next one is this. What print is this? This is so terrible. I should be really good at this, but is this crocodile? This is some sort of reptile. This is definitely a reptile. It's either, is this snake print? It's not really snake print, is it? This is so gorgeous. However, I got it in a size small. I don't know why I got it in a small. Absolutely terrible idea, because it's a dress, but it's just a little too tight around my hips, so I can't wear it as a dress. Well, I can wear it as a dress obviously, but I can't button it all the way down. It's super long, like, let me show you. Super long, just above my ankles basically, and it's just this gorgeous print. It has pockets. It's really like nice and thick. It's quite great quality, as in, like, it's thick, it's completely opaque, like you can't see through it. Really nice pockets. It's got a belt to it, like you can wear it like a jacket kind of thing, because the fabric is quite stiff, but it's not completely stiff, but it's not so thin like the snake print shirt. And next I got this jacket, which you would have seen me wear already. My throat is hurting me so much. Anyway, this is the jacket. It just speaks for itself. I absolutely love this jacket. Only thing is, I wish they made them longer. They're so short. It cuts me quite high up to what I would usually wear, which means I have to wear something longer underneath, but then it doesn't always look great. That's the problem. I always like my jackets to be a lot longer, and then I have like an oversized shirt or oversized t-shirt, something like that. So that's that. Absolutely gorgeous. It's got tassels on it on these pockets. It doesn't have any side pockets. It's quite nice. It's thick and thin at the same time. Like, it's not too thick. It's perfect for this weather because I get really hot. So I love this. Oh, and I got that in a medium, and it fits me great, and I'm glad I got it in a medium. Next, I'm going to show you this gorgeous coat, which I got in a medium, and I wish I got it in a small. I don't know why I got this in a medium. Like, now that I'm thinking about it, this one and the shirt, I don't know why I got the shade, I think it was supposed to be the other way around. I was supposed to get this in a small and get the other one in a medium, and I mixed it up. That's probably what I did. So this is a gorgeous jacket. Like, this jacket is so amazing. It's so Zara-esque. It's something you see in Topshop. Like, it's just amazing. It's this gorgeous, like, dark blue, kind of bluey blue. It's more a bluey purple shade, and it's got this white stitching of very, very good quality. I love it. It's got pockets, and then it has really nice clips. It doesn't come with a belt. It comes with like really long, what's it called, panels around the arms, around the wrists, which you tie up in a bow or something. It's really cute. I love it. Very good quality. It's super long, and it cuts me almost at my ankles, which is great. I love this length. I can't wait to wear it. Last jacket that I got is this lilac one, which I have a lilac coat almost exactly the same color as this, and I'm just like, why did I do that? I should have got it in a different color. But I absolutely love this jacket. Like, it's just so pretty. I can't wait to wear it. Once again, so annoyed that it's short. It cuts me off at a weird angle, so I'm having to like go shopping to buy something that's quite long to wear with this, because I love the color, but it needs to be, I need to wear like a printed tee underneath that's like an extra large to give me some coverage. Love this. Absolutely love the quality. Honestly, Shein has been killing it this year. Like, I am so obsessed with their stuff. Okay, last two clothing pieces. The first thing are these mom jeans, which I just love. Are really nice. I needed a pair of mom jeans, and I don't like the ones that are on the high street, to be honest. Like, every time I get mom jeans, I always like the ones I buy online. I feel like they fit me so much better than the ones in stores. Once again, like Topshop, there's always either the waist is too big. They're like the only place that really do really good mom jeans, I feel like, and are always around. And then either the waist is too big or too small, and then the thighs are either too big or it's too tight. Like, there's always something wrong. But I really do like these. These are great. Got these in a medium as well. Yep, got them in a medium. They're cotton. They're just like this. They're just really nice, and I like the front detailing. It's really cool. And then the last clothing piece are these trousers, which I have been looking for everywhere. Like a peachy pink jogging bottoms, but they're silk satin. They're not real silk, so they're like a silky satin. They've got two white stripes going across the sides. I love them. Once again, got them in a medium. Absolutely love them. Can't wait to wear them. They need an iron. Definitely need an iron. I didn't get a chance to iron them, but I will do soon. So that's that. And then the last two accessory pieces that I got. To be honest, I'm not somebody who used to follow trends. I never used to follow trends. I always used to set the trends. And it's so crazy because everything that's in trend right now was me years ago. Like animal print, I did that when I was in college and it wasn't in, but I made it a thing, and I used to wear animal print all the time. I had zebra print shoes, leopard print scarves, cheetah print scarves, zebra print scarves. Like, I used to do the animal print thing like crazy. I was absolutely obsessed. It wasn't in fashion or anything. I used to actually go hunting for these pieces. Loved it. And now I'm a little bit over it. It's why, like, you know, the whole leopard print thing was really in this season, and I'm just a bit like, it's got to look completely different to what I used to own, because I'm just so over that. I'm just like, so 2020 12, I think. Yeah, 11 even. But yeah, so I'm trying to find pieces that are very, very, like, I never had anything like this, or I didn't have a snake print shirt. I had every other, I had like a zebra print, I had a cow print, everything, but I didn't have this. That's kind of why I'm going into those. I don't mind, but nothing that I already had. So I'm not somebody who follows trends, but when everybody has this bag on Instagram, everybody and their dog and their dog's mom and their dog's dad has this online. I'm not one to splurge on anything really. I don't really splurge much. I do, actually no, that's wrong, I do, but I splurge on items that I know are gonna be around for a long time. That's one that I'm gonna wear for a really long time, or stuff I really need, like shades. I get like a designer handbag once every year or two, usually every year. So stuff like that, like I'm not really huge. So when everybody had this bag from like Mango and stuff, I was not willing to spend, I think it was 40 quid, and the designer one is like £300 or something. But when I saw this on Shein, honestly, the quality, I am so like impressed by the quality. It's absolutely amazing. It's pearl. I think the real bag is a bit more white. These pearls are a lot more yellow, but I like it because I don't like an all white bag anyway. Not really into, like, it's dirty quickly. Also, it's quite hard to style, I find. Like this has more of a yellow tint to it, and it goes, like, even goes really nicely with my outfit right now. Anyway, absolutely love this bag. The quality is amazing. I think it was only 20 quid. I'm gonna leave all the links to all the items below, and the prices, like, everything's super affordable. I love this bag. I can't wait to wear it. Now that I'm a mom, I don't even wear bags, so this will just have to be an outfit pic, like a fake outfit pic, like this. Do you like my bag? But yeah, really like this. And but this is a trend bag, and I don't really buy trend bags, to be honest, because I just, like I said, I've only recently started following trends, to be honest, and I just really like this. And I think Instagram is making me become more of a trend follower, just because I keep seeing like the same printed dress, for example, the same bag, and I'm like, okay, I want it now. 100 people have it and now I want it. Whereas before I'd be like, 2 people have it, I don't even want to have it. I think it's just the Instagram like trend thing though. Anyway, the last item, because this video is getting long and you're probably getting bored, which I hope you're not, are these shoes. I mean, I know it's not really the season for them, but I wear slippers a lot, even in winter time, just because if I'm in and out of the car, like if I'm going to my in-laws, if I'm going to see my family, if I'm going to my friend's house, I'm not going to wear trainers, I'm not going to wear boots, especially with a baby. I just put on some slippers and I'm good to go. Love, love, love these. I love that these are like, they're like weaved. This is plastic, actually. This is a little bit like those plastic bags. It's like that kind of fabric, but I absolutely love them. And then this is just like faux leather, like that. Very simple, very nice. I absolutely love these. The only thing about this particular shoe, actually, maybe a lot of their flats and a lot of their shoes, make sure you go for a size up, just because I find that they're a little bit tight, and I don't know whether that's because I was pregnant and my feet are they're still not completely back to what they were. Like they're a size 5.5 now rather than just a 5. So I actually got these in a 6, and they're still a little bit tight. So I probably, a 6.5 would have been perfect. They don't do half sizes, so I would have got a 7 just to be super comfy. But then I'm also that weird person who, my shoes are always just a little bit bigger. I like them to be a little bit bigger than I actually am, just because I like to be super comfortable, which is why you never see me wear heels unless it's for an Instagram photo. It'll be like on and off straight away there and then. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know if you want me to do more. I love doing hauls. I love watching hauls. Right now I like to see what's in. I never used to online shop. Well, lies. I used to online shop, but not as much as now. Like now, all I do is online shop. I don't really shop in real life as much, unless it's Primark or like necessities. Even necessities, I've been ordering it to the house. Like I said, baby, no time to do anything. And also, it's really hard to get around all the shops. because I gotta feed, then I gotta change, then I gotta eat, then I want to sit and chill and talk with my friends, and you know, all that kind of stuff, so you don't get time. Whereas before I'd be shopping every day, all day, so it doesn't matter if I get through all the shops that I need to, because I know the next day I will be there again. So yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!